from a given disaster.
Hello my loves, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for watching today's video. Today I'm going to show you my most updated housework and cleaning routine using a new trend that I've seen going around online that I wanted to try for myself. So I'm going to set a 5-minute timer to do all of my jobs this morning, and I'm not going to go over it, meaning I'm going to save a lot of time and I'm going to get things done quickly and efficiently. So as you saw, I have set the 5-minute timer on my phone, and the first thing I'm going to do is the laundry. So I'm going to get both of my son's laundry baskets, I'm going to put them together, compile them and take a basket downstairs. I'm just going to separate first to take out any whites, and then I will take all of the other bits downstairs. I've checked my timer and that only took me a couple of minutes, so I still got lots of time. I'm just going to go through the basket now, pop it all in the washing machine, put in a laundry pod and some softener and get the machine on.
I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
And that's my first job of the day, done in 5 minutes or under. On to the next one.
Still it feels like I pretend, keep on driving.
Okay, timer has been set, and the next thing I'm going to do is the washing machine. So I usually turn the washing machine on before I go to bed on an evening, which I obviously did last night. So the first thing I need to do is empty it and put all the clean bits away in the cupboards. Once it's empty, I will put anything that's been gathering in the sink into the dishwasher, ready for the next load. And I was actually chuffed with this one because I had loads of time left over. It took well under 5 minutes. Next job of the day, I'm going to go around and make all the beds in the house, starting with our own. I'm going to give it a little spritz, make it smell lovely and fresh in here, and then I will move into the boys' bedrooms and do the same. Not only am I going to just make the beds, but I'm going to tidy up the boys' bedrooms as well. 5 minutes is ample to change beds, so I think I'll have plenty of time to tidy the boys' rooms in that 5-minute window as well. So I'm just going to pick up all the toys off Cooper's floor, pop them away in the boxes, tidy up anything else that needs to be tidied away, and then I will just make his bed ready for nap time as well.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time.
Same in Leo's room, I have quickly made his bed, so I'm just going to pick anything off the floor, have a general little tidy up as well, and I managed to get it all done in under 5 minutes.
Like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep.
My next 5-minute job is to hoover upstairs. We have all hard floors downstairs, our only carpet is upstairs, so I like to get this hoovered as often as I can, and it is one of my 5-minute jobs that I'm trying to do every day if possible. So as you can see, I'm just going over it as quickly as I can, making sure I'm picking up any dirt or bits that have been left on the carpet, and there is nothing like a clean hoover line like this. It makes me feel so productive, makes the house feel so much cleaner and tidier, even if it only lasts for a few hours before the boys tread their footmarks all over it.
I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like
Okay, my next 5-minute job that I like to get done daily, if possible, is to clean the toilets. I'm using this new Domestos Power Foam, which I only bought the other day, and I'm really enjoying it. It's lovely and foamy, makes the toilet smell lovely as well. I'm using a blue cloth, blue for the loo, of course, and I'm just going to clean the toilet. The reason I love to clean the toilets every day, if possible, is because I do have a 5-year-old son and live with 2 other boys, and I just have a thing about cleaning the toilets as often as possible. So after I wipe it down, I'm going to go over them with some toilet gel. I'm going to give the toilet a good scrub, and I've seen this hack going viral as well. Well, not really a hack, but just a good habit to get into, where you leave your toilet brush to dry under the lid as well, rather than putting it away still stopping wet, and then the water tends to gather in the toilet brush holder. So what I'm going to do is just leave it under the toilet lid, and I'll also spray it with the disinfectant when I disinfect the toilet as well. So that is what I'm going to do. This is the downstairs toilet. I'm going to do it in this toilet, then I'm going to go upstairs and repeat it in the upstairs toilet as well. I'll probably only have time to do 2 toilets in my 5-minute window, but that will do me just fine. So I've come upstairs now, I'm going to do the second toilet, and then that was all I managed to get done in the 5-minute window. But I think 2 toilets in 5 minutes is pretty good.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge.
Okay, my next 5-minute job is to just wipe down the kitchen. I love to wipe down the kitchen as often as possible because I feel like it's the center of the home, and if the kitchen is clean and tidy, I feel like the house is clean and tidy. That's just how I feel anyway. So I've just grabbed a microfiber cloth and some flash spray. This is the new Lemon Fresh one. It is divine, by the way, perfect for leading into spring. And I'm just going to use this cloth and the spray to wipe down the sides, and I'll also go over the hob as well because we used it for dinner last night, so it's just got a few marks on it.
You, if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah.
Next up, I'm going to tidy up the boys' play area, and I'm going to wipe down the playmat. This is something that I do try and do every day. Obviously, being realistic, guys, I don't do every single one of these jobs every day without fail. I'm just showing you an ideal day where I do all the things that I really like to do most days if I can. So one thing I do like to do most days is to wipe down the boys' playmat, just because Cooper obviously spends the majority of his day on here. So if I can keep it as clean and germ-free as possible, then that is a win. All I'm doing is just using a fresh microfiber cloth and the same spray that you saw me use on the kitchen surfaces, and just giving it a little rub. And I'm also going to go over it with the disinfectant spray that you saw me use in the toilets, just to make sure, because he has got a cold at the moment, I'm just going to make sure it's really clean. And we've made it to my last 5-minute job of the day, which is to hoover downstairs. You've already seen me do upstairs on the carpets. Now I'm going to do the hard floors downstairs. This is obviously a lot quicker because it is hard floor, so all I'm doing is just picking up crumbs and things. So I'm just going to run the hoover around and collect any crumbs and dust that I find on my way. You wouldn't believe how quickly it accumulates. When you have a hard floor, you see everything, and you wouldn't believe how much I pick up even if I hoover twice a day. So I really like to do this as often as I can. I'm just going to run it round and then I will be done. And I did manage to get this done in well under 5 minutes. All of the jobs that you see me do in today's routine were definitely done in 5 minutes or under, so it really hasn't taken me long at all, and then the rest of the day is my own.
Cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go.
Before I go, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next one.